How to show or hide marketplace on Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, okay, here in preference section, you can see here the tab bar. Okay, you can tap this. Here in tab bar, you can see the customize the tab bar. Now you can choose what you like to see on tab bar. Okay, you can tap this. And now here you can see the available settings here. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to show or hide the marketplace on your tab bar. Okay, here the marketplace, and the marketplace is set into auto. To hide this marketplace on your Facebook tab bar, okay, you'll have to do is tap the button on the right side of this, and the pop-up below are show. And you can see here the hide. So if you select the hide, don't show in your navigation. And okay, you can tap the hide, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully hide the marketplace in your Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, if you want to show again, okay, you'll have to do is here in hidden section, you can see the marketplace and tap the button on the right side, and the pop-up below are show. So there are two options. You can set into pin or you can set into auto. So if you select the pin, keep in your navigation bar. So if you select the auto, show or hide depending on your activity. And okay guys, I decide to set into pin. And okay guys, we have successfully show or hide marketplace on Facebook tab bar. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.